you're leaving again? You've not given me the money I asked you for.
What money, Angela?
Babe, I told you I was going to the spa, right? I told you about that yesterday and you're not saying anything.
I will send the money when I get to the office, okay?
No, send it now. I'm dressed to go out already.
Angela, please. I'm late already, okay?
Isn't that the more reason why you should send it now? Because once you get to that office, you'll be so busy, you'll totally forget about me.
Listen, I gave you my word. I will not forget.
Send it now.
Angela, please.
Please tell your bastard daughter now. Go ahead and make the instant transfer.
Angela, how dare you call my daughter a bastard?
Go ahead. Beat me. You're not a bastard. See how you're quick to jump to violence, but common transfer is difficult for you to do. Send me the money.
I will send it when I get to the office.
Uche! Uche! Let me not see that money. Where's my phone? I'm going to be waiting for that alert. If I don't see that money, you see me in your office.
Which one is why didn't I wake you up? As your alarm. Eh? So you don't know you're supposed to wake up. If I'm not here, you wouldn't know you wake up and go to work.
But babe, I pleaded with you because I have a meeting with my boss today. A very important one at that.
Come, it looks like you've seen me finish. What's that supposed to mean? Because I don't have a job. My job is to wake you up while you go to work and come back. You've seen me finish. Respect yourself.
Why are you sounding like this? You are just there doing nothing, watching things on your phone that you just wake me up.
Come and put battery and set 6 o'clock alarm.
Why are you so mean? You're so wicked. Jeez. I begged you. I pleaded with you. But you won't listen. I'm late.
That one is your business.
Hello? Hello, Beauty Glam Store. I sent a message. I'm interested in buying your night combo set. Yes, I know the price. Okay, yeah, I said I sent a message on WhatsApp. Why don't you check it and then send me your account details so I'll make payment. Thank you. It's always a pleasure. All right, bye.
Where to?
Work, of course.
Work, of course. Which work? Huh? Actually, you're beginning to... What's with this sudden change? I want to understand. The other day you went to buy clothes, and I could see you fitting the clothes to make sure that your bum was showing. Even I overheard your phone call telling your friend you've darkened though, you need a cream to whiten you, to do this, to do that. What's happening? Is it not work? Are you going for fashion parade there?
Point of correction. I did not change my look. No. I only just got some few stuff, changed my wardrobe, then few cosmetics, that's all.
Change your wardrobe. So me, I'm blind now?
I didn't say that.
Is it that I'm blind or I'm stupid? I don't know what I'm saying.
See, please, can we not go there? Can you not just start today, please? I have an important meeting to attend, please.
You have an important meeting to attend. So me, I'm talking rubbish.
Please, I don't want to run late.
Are you out of your mind? Wait, I'm talking, you're trying to walk out.
Please, I don't want to run late. I'm running late already. I don't want to go to the office late.
Did you fix my breakfast this morning?
That was why I expected you to wake me up on time so that I can fix you your breakfast, but you didn't. I overslept.
To wake you up? Your problem is that you're so shameless. I'm supposed to wake you up. Do you know your mates do school runs in the morning? Like they wake up as early as 5 a.m. to fix their kids' breakfast before taking them to school. Then off to work. Your own is just you, so I have to wake you up to fix my breakfast. I'm not done. I just said one day.
I beg you, please, I beg you, I'm done. Ah!
Babe, why are you late? What happened? Traffic. Think about something else. This is 11:30.
Fine. You caught me. It's Ray.
Oh, yes. So what? Okay, let me leave that aside. You are late. And the boss is very angry, so you have to go to his office, cook something really nice to cover up your mess.
Did you tell him anything?
I told him something, just...
Oh, thank you. You're a lifesaver. Please just tell me anything you want. I'll give it to you. I'll make it happen. Tell me.
Lunch on you.
Oh, just lunch. Oh, you're so cheap. I've got you, baby. I'm going to give you lunch. Anything you want, I'll give you lunch. Thank you. God bless your soul.
Yes, come in.
Good morning, sir.
Sheila,
Yes, sir.
what is going on with you?
I'm so sorry, sir. Family issues.
Listen, this family issue is becoming too frequent. Although your friend has been trying to cover up for you, but listen, I'm too smart to be fooled. Do you mind to share this family issue with me?
There's no problem, sir.
Then, this has to stop. You must be here tomorrow before me.
Yes, sir.
Now get me the file of Dongo Group of Companies. We need to start with that this week.
Okay, sir. Thank you, sir.
Hello, baby.
Hey, Sugar.
How are you?
I'm okay, Sugar. Guess what? My vendor just restocked. She has been posting a lot yesterday on her status. So I picked a few things and I told her to deliver it. And guess what? She's right here. I picked amazing jewelries. Just check your WhatsApp, okay, and help me transfer 400,000 naira to the account.
Are you kidding me? No, I'm not kidding. What do you mean, of course not? Oh, look, how do you expect me to send 400,000 for some jewelries?
It's just 400,000 naira. They are unique, okay? I just love them, so I picked a few for myself.
For the record, you have a box of jewelries I bought for you in Saudi Arabia when I traveled. I'm sure you barely won any of them.
I said these ones are unique, okay? I want them. What's the problem in that?
My problem is that I do not have such amount of money to spend on some jewelries. You have more than enough, okay? Excuse me.
But she's... hello? This bastard just ended the call.
Ma'am, should I still wait?
Yes, sir.
Yeah.
So, sir, if we supply 10 tons, the profit would be 5 million naira per ton.
Wow, this sounds like a good business.
Yes, sir, it is.
Sheila, we are doing this.
Yes, sir.
But you need to get market survey to how we can get these products on a cheaper rates.
Okay.
We are doing it right away.
All right, sir. No problem,
Get
sir.
at it.
Okay, sir.
Quick.
All right. Thank you, sir. I'll be
Thank
my
you.
office, sir. Thank you.
She will come back and meet me here. She will come back to this house and meet me here. No problems. Okay, you've decided to switch off your phone, right? You're very stupid. You switched off your phone since morning you left this house. What kind of stupid network? What kind of stupid... I've been making calls since morning. And you're telling me network? Or is there no lights where you walk? Why is your phone switched off? Your work network. Shelly, your work network. It's not your work network, Abby. Where are you? Oh, you're not even at work. You went to see him. You went to see him. You drove out to see him, Shelly. I said it that you're cheating. You're cheating, Shelly. What do you mean, how can I say such? Where are you coming from? Who is there? Give her the phone. Hello, Kelly. Kelly. Speak up so I can hear. Is that Kelly? Okay. Give her the phone. Give her back the phone. Leave this thing you're saying, oh. Leave this thing. It's not even a guarantee because I know you can tell Kelly to say anything. No problems. I'm waiting for you here. I'm waiting for you. Come back and tell me why your phone has been switched off since morning. Her work network. Her work network. Hi. Oh, this is too much for me.
Good evening, Daddy.
How are you, my love?
Fine, Daddy.
Yeah.
Hi. How could you? How could you do that to me? You see this your stinginess? It is becoming irritating and a serious turn-off.
Angela, how dare you speak to me in that manner in presence of my daughter?
Well, you see this? This is nothing compared to the embarrassment you gave me for not sending that money I needed for my jewelries.
Me embarrassed you? Angela, how about you start making your money so you don't feel embarrassed when you want to spend it?
That's a very, very dry joke. I should make my own money. Why should I? I'm married to you. Married to an odogu. I don't need to work. Your money is my money. our money. What's that? What's that look? Will you get up and go to your room now? Did you say something? Did you say something? Hey! You people are trying me. You're trying me. Oh! Give me that money. I need that money for my hair. And everything else. I want to buy hair. I want to buy the jewelry. I want to buy cosmetics. I want to buy the whole world.
I
give
do
me that
not
money.
have that kind of money. I will waste on some jewelries you will never wear.
Ordinary 400,000 naira. What's your business if I decide to wear them or not? You're the provider. Anything I need, you're supposed to just pay without asking questions.
Really?
Give me the money.
I'm tired.
There won't be peace this night, oh. There will not be peace.
You can bring the roof down.
I will bring it down. You know I will. Give me that money. Uche!
Angela, I thought I gave you some money some days ago to take Richard to the salon to have a change of hair.
This is it. This is exactly my problem with you. This is what I have been complaining about. When it concerns your daughter, you are always paying attention and following up like a state CID.
Angela, you are supposed to be taking care of that girl, but oh no, all you care about is yourself.
Supposed. As what? As my job or what? Oh, wait. Is this why you married me? Oh, I see it clearly now. So you married me so I can take care of your daughter, right?
What is all about?
This is it now. It's quite obvious. This is why you only pay attention to her needs and ignore mine.
Angela, you will take that girl to the salon tomorrow to change her hair, or I will take her myself to the salon.
I like this action. Angela, you will take her to the salon. But you know what? I love the last part more. Or I will take her myself. So you see that hair? Brace up. Because you are taking her to make her hair tomorrow. Wait. I will have to go. But when I ask you to send me money now, boom, you will lose it entirely. You will have nothing to say but excuses. You see that hair? You will take her to make it tomorrow.
What kind of a woman are you? Are you not wicked? So because you have a job now, you're spending money only on yourself, not minding me. But you don't care to know if I'm going to eat. And you claim to be a wife. Every now and then you starve me to death because you're working. You're the only woman that is working.
Wait, why are you like this? Why are you doing this to us?
Look, don't even try to twist things because you know exactly what I'm saying. You know what I'm saying. You know what I'm saying. It's fine, no problems. Okay? It's your time to shine. Shine. You're working, you're making the money. Me, I'm jobless. I don't have anything to do. If you give me, I will eat. If you don't give me, I will starve. No problems. It's your time. But remember, there was a time I was working for you to go to school. Now is your time. You have the money. You don't even want to care if I will eat. The man you call your husband, you leave, you just dress up, go to work without leaving anything at home. Not even that you give me money. And you know that I don't have any money. You know that I don't have money. Because if I have the money, what's there? I will buy anything I want to. Even if I want cow head, I will eat. Anything I want, I will afford it. But because you know I don't have money, and you be comfortable there.
But I pleaded with you. I begged you, please wake me up so that I can make your breakfast for you. But no, you didn't wake me up. I overslept and I was running late and I left for work.
So your work is more important than your husband.
And that was why I pleaded with you to wake me up. But you didn't.
Wake you up.
You did it on purpose. You didn't wake me up.
No problems. There's no issue. Me, I'm not angry. Maybe I look for yam and red oil to eat. It's fine. It's fine.
Please, you can add onions and pepper.
So add onions and pepper. I should add onions and pepper. Okay. It's well. It's well.
Angela, can I have my dinner now?
What dinner? What dinner? Uche, can you leave me alone? Can you leave me alone, please?
Excuse you?
You see, this is what I don't like about you.
How do you mean?
You're selfish. So because of ordinary 400,000 naira that you managed to send to me after so much shouting and yelling, that is why I cannot rest in this house, right?
Let me ask you. Am I supposed to remind you to serve my meal?
It's a choice of words for me. Serve my meal. As your servant, right? As your servant, I should go ahead and serve you, Your Highness. Requesting for royal treatment when you cannot even reciprocate any.
Angela, I demand you go in there now and serve my meal.
I demand. I command it. You go into that kitchen and cook my meal. I demand it. You go and make your own food. Expecting me to jump at your order when it comes to my needs, you be crawling like a tortoise. Don't disturb me, oh. Leave me alone. Don't know what kind of obsession is this. I'll leave the bedroom. You follow me. Why you follow me around?
It's okay. I'll just go in there and serve myself.
There's nothing there, oh. You have to cook it from scratch. Glad you know that there's no food there, so you have to cook it fresh. And I'll eat, oh. I'll eat, oh. I don't like too much pepper.
Babe, the food is served. Please come here so it doesn't get cold.
What is it by your time? I should come and eat at this time of the night. So I'll have protruding tummy. You now have reason to cheat on me.
Babe, see, you're at it again. Can you please not start?
Go and eat your food. Which one is I'm at it again? Go and eat your food. After appeasing the gods, begging you to cook food for me to eat, you now want to come to me to tell me come and eat what? Please go and eat with your ancestors.
Babe, I'm sorry. Please just go and eat now. I'm sorry.
Go and eat. Go and eat, please.
Babe.
Oh, what is it now? Can I sleep? Do you want me to fall off the bed?
No, baby, I need you.
You need me. So you can need someone. You can need someone, but when I need you, you will start your big grammars that come with a lot of excuses.
Come on, baby. What have I done again?
Small money. Just chickeny money that I begged you to send for me so that I can use it to pay the jewelry vendor that came to the house. No. You had to stress me and embarrass me in front of her. How much was it that I even asked you? Did I ask for $10,000? Did I ask for $10 million? Ordinary 400,000 naira transfer. It took you a whole year to send. When you finally sent it, you sent it, right? Now you want to collect it back. You want to collect it back, right? I cannot sleep because of miserable 400,000 naira that you sent for jewelries.
Baby.
Don't baby me, please. It is one of those your cheap, hungry sluts, side chicks you have out there. You would have been spending by now. They'll be calling you Uche or Dogu Uche.
Baby, you know you are all I have. No one else.
Yeah,
You know it.
I'm supposed to believe that. You know what? That's not even my problem at all. If you like, have a dozen of them. I don't care. As long as you keep giving me my own share of the cake, I'm Gucci. Mind yourself. Mind yourself. Look at now. You want me to fall off the bed? Now you need me. When I need you, be speaking English. Use this same energy to send me money. Send no money, you refuse. Now, first to do. You know the pain now. Have you seen it now? You're humble. Don't touch. Use the same energy and be sending me money. Everything will be good. See how you almost made me, I want to fall off. But send money, no. Use this energy and be sending me money. Hey! Oh! Hey! Hey! You have started though! You have started though!
It's okay, it's okay, it's okay. It's okay, please. You can sleep. You can sleep.
Control yourself. Self-control. Go and buy it. Since you don't know what to do. Go and buy self-control.
Hey, good morning.
Morning, baby. Hope you slept well.
Yes, I did.
Oh, good to know. Well, I want you to make me light breakfast, please.
Wait, did you just wake me up from the sleep to go to the kitchen and make you breakfast?
I would love to eat something before I leave the house.
So I should go and make it for you?
Yes, anything wrong with
I
that?
don't understand. Do I look like your maid? Did you employ me as your maid in this house? I should go and make you breakfast. I shouldn't sleep. I should go and make you breakfast. Please, it's too early for this.
Angela, so you're yelling at me because I asked you to make breakfast for me.
Yeah, Mama, we're ready, okay?
Daddy?
I'll see you soon in the office. Okay, bye.
Good morning, Daddy.
Good morning, my angel. How are you?
I'm fine.
I hope you had a wonderful night rest.
Yes, Daddy.
Okay, I'm off to work right now. Try to be a good girl, okay?
Okay. But you're not forgetting anything.
Like what?
Something like my birthday. Today's my birthday.
How could I have forgot? Oh, come on. Happy birthday to my angel. Yeah, I'm sorry, okay?
It's okay, but you know I'm going to penalize you, right?
Are you going to do that to your father?
Yes, for forgetting my birthday.
Okay, I will serve the punishment. So, what is my punishment, mother?
Your debit card.
What?
For forgetting my birthday. First, you have to give me the pin. Second, you have to give me the permission to get whatever I want for my birthday.
Okay. I'll give you my debit card, but on one condition.
What's it?
You must not share my pin with your mother.
Please, don't.
A deal?
Yes, it's a deal.
Okay. This is my card.
Thank you. The pin.
I don't want her to hear. I will test it to you, okay?
Thank you.
Be a good girl, okay?
Okay. Bye.
Bye. I love you.
Love you too.
Shirley, the way you're paying too much attention to your dressing these days baffles me. Is it not work you're going to? Huh?
How do you mean?
What Which one is how do I? I've been watching you here. You make up, you clean, you comb your hair, you check yourself. Is it not work you're going to? Or are you cheating on me with your boss?
Beg your pardon?
Don't beg any pardon, no, because it's beginning to baffle me. You clean, you do contour, you rub lipstick, you recomb your hair, you check if your shape is coming. What's that one?
Do you have a problem?
I have a big problem. Stop asking me stupid questions if I have a problem. What do you mean if I have a problem?
If you have a problem, then state whatever it is. Point them out. Let me know.
Point what's out? I don't need to point them out. It's already showing. It's already obvious that you're doing all these things to impress somebody. Somebody I don't know. Maybe your boss or maybe somebody I don't know. I don't know. Just to go get to the office, sit on your desk and press your system. That's all you're going to do. So why are you checking if your shape is showing? Look, let me warn you. Tomorrow, don't go and cheat on me and tell me it's because you're trying to put food on the table. I did not beg you. I did not beg you to put any food on any table. I don't know why here is open.
Oh,
here is open.
Can you just stop, please? Stop. Can you please stop?
Open.
Can you just stop it? Just stop.
Sheila, you see your husband? That man is a serious narcissist.
Kelly, what is it? Please, my husband is not like that.
But that is who he is.
That's not my husband. My husband is not like that.
He is like that. This is how they behave.
Can you please stop it? That's my husband you're talking about.
I will not stop. I have to tell you the truth. I will tell you the truth. If you really want to keep your marriage, then do something about it. He needs therapy.
And I say, stop. Good morning, boss.
Good morning, sir.
My husband is my narcissist. No, say
I also need Barbie doll. Big ones.
What? Where am I supposed to get the money to buy all this you're mentioning here?
Don't worry, I already have the money.
How?
Daddy, he gave me his debit card.
He did?
Yes, isn't he a lovely dad?
Of course. He is, darling. Now we can buy everything you need. And more.
Yeah.
Give me the card.
No.
Why?
Daddy gave me this card under the condition that I will not give you the pin.
Seriously?
Yes.
Just give me the card.
No.
How am I supposed to take you shopping and what you pay? You're a kid. That's not right.
I can't give it to you.
Fine. Then we're going to have to wait for your daddy to come back and take you out himself.
But Mom, nah. You know Daddy is always busy, so how is he going to take me out?
Mommy is a jobless one who's supposed to take you out and watch you make payments, right? How do I look to you? Give me the card.
I can't give it to you.
Alright, fine. Wait for your daddy. Let's wait for daddy. Or you just give me the card.
I made a mistake. I shouldn't have allowed her leave this house. I shouldn't have. With that skimpy wear. I shouldn't have. It's obvious this girl is cheating on me. It's obvious. Because why would she be paying so much attention? Look at the way she... I made a mistake. I made a mistake. Here's my phone.
Sister, this thing, if you open, just flip to the list page. Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah, you can see the access payments, receipts, and then
Okay.
the rest.
That's good, yeah.
Yeah, you can. So you see where it's written the payment, the access payments received over there. Yeah. Sorry, sir. My husband.
Go ahead.
All right, thank you, sir. Hello? Hey, what's up? What's going on? Are you okay? Babe, I'm with my boss. I have to talk to him and then get back to you. Okay, I'll talk to you later, yeah? Okay. What is the problem?
Sheila, we need to put on hold our transaction. I will be right back.
Okay, sir.
God.
Oh my God. This is my okay.
You know Daddy will be really disappointed at me. And he will never trust me with anything again.
Do you like this?
Where's my debit card? Where is my debit card? Angela, let me have my debit card now.
I'm sorry, Daddy. She tricked me into giving her the debit card.
Angela, why are you always like this?
Why'd you have to move the sum of 5 million naira from the account?
Good. Because I have use for it.
You need to transfer that money back to the account. It is made for a business deal.
I can't do that. I just told you I have need for it.
Excuse me?
What is even the problem here? What is it? I don't know what's wrong with you. You have become so stingy these days. So yes, I had to make good use of the opportunity.
Opportunity, huh? Alright, I know what to do. You, what are you still doing here? Get to your room, now! Hello, yes. Manager. I just called you a lot of 5 million naira. Listen, you will need to reverse that money. I never did that transaction, okay? Yes. Alright. Bye. Thank you.
Did you have to do that?
Oh.
Was that even necessary? What is even 5 million naira that you're calling your bank for? Huh? What kind of embarrassment is that? Listen, you better make sure that money doesn't return back to your account, or you will not like who I will become in this house. You will not like me. What is 5 million naira that you cannot give your wife? You're calling your bank, right? You see about that. You better call them to just leave that money as it is.
Babe, what are you doing with my clothes?
It's over.
What is over?
Your work with Uchesin Limited is over. You're not going back there. All right?
Babe, why would you make such a decision?
Because I am your husband. That is why I made that decision. I am your husband.
But still, that doesn't give you the right to make that decision.
No, I didn't call you here to banter words with me. I just told you what I told you. Your work with Uchesin Limited is over. So just quietly go inside and sit in there.
So what do you want to do?
I want to burn these clothes.
I'm sure you are joking, because you are not going to burn my clothes. For what? Why would you burn my clothes?
Are you mad? My friend, come on, give me that. Give me this. I'm burning everything.
No, you cannot burn my clothes.
You cannot be going to work wearing skimpy outfit. It is not allowed.
I will not allow you to burn my clothes, please. What kind of rubbish is this now?
Are you mad?
I'm not mad.
Are you mad?
Give my clothes.
You're not going anywhere. You're not going anywhere until you call your bank manager and tell him to leave the transaction like it is. Tell him to do that now.
Angela, I will not let you have such amount of money because I have several business deals to put through this weekend, and this will affect my budget.
I don't care. You're not leaving this house until you call him. Make that call.
Get off my way.
No.
Get off.
No! Just call him, okay? Call him.
All right. Hello. Manager. I just remembered that I made that transaction. So let it be. Yes, I'm sorry for the inconveniences. Thank you. Bye.
Now that's my darling, generous husband. How do you feel? A win is a win. That look is 5 million naira richer. Woo!
Ray! Ray, please open the door. Ray, please, I need to go back to the office, please. Ray! Ray, please, can you open the door for me, please?
Welcome, sir.
Where is Sheila?
Sheila, she just went out, sir.
To where?
I don't know.
When she returns, tell her I want to see her.
Okay, sir. What kind of marriage have I gotten myself into? Why did I marry this man in the first place? Hello? Sheila, what is going on? I'm tired. Kelly, I am tired. I swear I regret getting married to Raymond. It's okay, just calm down. What happened? Can you believe he burnt my clothes? No way. He said he's suspecting me and the boss. That is like me and the boss were having an affair. I don't understand. Why? Why did he say that? I mean, how could he think about it like that? I don't know. You have to start coming to the office now because Mr. Uche just asked about you. And what did you tell him? I told him you just stepped out. What did he say? He said I should come get you, that I should tell you to come. And then when you come, you should come to his office. Kelly, there's a problem. I can't come back to the office today. What's going on? Why? He locked me up in the room. You can't tell me you don't know what to do. I've told you to get this man times without number, but you will not listen. Until he kills you, then you will be clear. What? Why are you doing this? I'm tired. I'm really tired. This is getting out of hand. And do you know I was supposed to go to the bank with the boss today? Okay, I will go home because I spilled something on my dress. I'll just go home and then change. I'll come see you in the house. Okay? Please do something to distract him. Don't let him know you called me or something. Okay, please do it. Please. Thank you so much. I'll talk to you later. Hi. Yeah. I want to see Sheila.
Sheila? Is she not at work?
No, she said she's home.
That means she lied to you. Because she's not here.
But I just spoke to her now.
She lied to you. She is not here. She went to work since morning and she's not back.
I spoke to her on the phone and she said she's here.
You haven't seen she's here. I just told you she's not here.
Thank you.
Hello? Kelly, have you gotten here?
I am here and your husband says you're not around.
That's a lie. That's a lie. He's lying. Please, go back there and tell him that you just spoke to me.
But I told him and he maintains that you are not around. What's going on?
Oh my God. Please, Kelly. Kelly, just go back there. Insist that you open the door for me. Please, I beg you.
How do you want me to do that? I can't force him. Okay, I think we should just purse and then just see what he wants to do. What do you think?
Kelly, please, I need to go back to the office. I need to meet with the boss, please. Please, you need to come and rescue me. I beg you.
You know I'm angry with you, right?
Why is that?
I made a promise to my dad and he made me break it.
Rachel, calm down, okay? You didn't do anything wrong.
I made a promise to my dad I will not give you the pain, and I did. You have to send the money back.
Hey, now listen. You shouldn't involve yourself in your mommy and daddy's issues, okay? Now be a good girl that you are. Go upstairs, do your homework, whatever. Well, sorry, it's your birthday. Talk to your friends, go online, just have fun. Bye.
You came to this house. Even when you came to this house, you've not written WAEC. I registered WAEC for you in a private center. You were a blockhead, a complete blockhead, that I almost got you a slate to teach you A is for apple, B is for ball. Now you feel you have arrived. Because you've gotten your degree, your master's. Now if I talk, you talk back at me. Right? You're educated now. I did all of that with my money. I suffered every now and then to take you to school. Now you're a graduate. You have a good job. You feel you can challenge me. You feel you can challenge me because I'm warning you. I'm warning you for the last time. Behave yourself. Behave yourself.
But must you always bring this topic up? Why are you always bringing this topic up? Every time we're trying to have a conversation, we're trying to sort out things.
I need to bring it up because it looks like you have forgotten.
But that is not the problem we're having now. That's not the issue we're having. Why?
You need to remember. You need to remember how I suffered. I toiled every now and then, every day and night to train you in school.
But
you need to remember that.
Seriously, this is not fair at all. Why? Why is it that you want me to make food for you before going to work? And when I come back, I will still make your food. You don't even want me to have a maid. Let me have a maid so that it will make things easier for me.
Have a maid to do what exactly? What is it that you're even doing for me? We have a washing machine in this house. Am I telling you to pound cocoyam? Just to wake up in the morning, take your bath. Not my bath too. To take your own bath, go to the kitchen and prepare something little for me to eat. That's a work. That's why you want to go and get maids to come to this house.
But you don't have anything doing. So what's there if you help me out? You're not going to work. No.
I get it. So you're indirectly telling me that I'm jobless now.
No.
No, now insult me. I'm jobless. I have nothing doing.
Please, can we not...
Did I tell you to pan cocoyam?
Can we not have this conversation?
No, we need to have this conversation because the way you're saying it is making me look like a bad person.
No. You're not a bad person at all. You're not though. I am the bad wife. The prodigal wife and ungrateful wife. It is me. But you are the perfect husband. So whatever it is you want me to do, from henceforth, I will do it for you. So please, can I go back to the office?
You can't go back to the office. You can't go back to the office dressed like this. You must have to change it. How can a wife go to office exposing her laps? If you get there, that's how you now open your laps for the whole world to see. Are you not ashamed of yourself?
You've burned all my clothes. I don't have any clothes to wear again.
I did it because I kept on telling you, stop doing this. Because it's until I take action, that's when you change. I kept on telling you, stop wearing short outfits to work, but you never listened. If you want me to allow you to go to work, send money. Let me go to the boutique and buy you a decent outfit to wear. You can't be going to work with kimpy outfits. Send me money, I'll buy you a complete regalia to wear, from head to toe, everywhere covered. That's how you should dress to work.
I should send you money.
Yes.
After you burn my clothes. You buy me.
You see, my kind of person would have been here in a way you didn't expect. We wouldn't be having this conversation the way we're having it. Now the thing is, I know what you know. I'm here to warn you, plead with you, however you want to see it, or however you want to take it. Stay away from my wife.
Excuse me? What are you talking about? Huh?
I'm not here to speak English with you. The next time we're going to have this conversation, I promise you, it won't be this way. Stay away from my wife. This is the last warning.
Excuse me, what are you talking about?
I'm trying to hold myself, don't push me.
I think it's high time you left my house. Use the door.
Stay away from my wife. I promise you. It's going to be terrible when I come back here again.
Get out of my house. Go get a job and be useful. Leave my house.
Smell.
It's nothing. Oh my goodness. Put something.
No, don't worry. I got this.
Thank you, babe. Babe, are you okay?
Yeah, I'm
You need my
I'm
help?
just...
Babe? Hey, baby.
Happy anniversary, baby.
Thank you, baby. Oh, this is beautiful. Thank you. I love you.
I love you more.
Babe, don't you think I need to go change, shower, and then...
You have to eat first.
Okay. Ow. Ooh. Yay. Hello, boss. I'm so sorry, sir. I had an emergency at home. I had to rush home. Oh, okay, sir. Thank you so much, sir. Thank you. Thank you.
Chairman, I greet you, sir. This one you came out today, I hope all is well, sir.
I'm fine, Magnus. How are you?
I am fine. The only problem I have is that there is this business I am running at the moment, but I am actually stopped up in it.
Wow. Too sad.
So, I don't know. Can you please lend me some money, please?
Magnus, coincidentally, I actually called you here to see how you can raise a loan for me.
So, does it mean one cannot successfully run a business without dipping his hands in one or two pockets for loans?
My dear, it's crazy. Especially when you have a condominium of a wife like mine.
As in, do people still spend recklessly in this present economy?
Oh, yes. Some fools do, who do not work for it.
Wow. That's so sad.
I actually had the money, but my wife broke into my account and took 5 million naira.
What?
Yes, I actually need 15 million naira. If not, I will lose a business deal.
Wow. That means you actually need the money more than I do.
Yes, I will just look for somewhere else to source for the money or forget about the business.
So, when she broke into your account, so what did you actually do?
Nothing. What will I do? Will I kill her?
Sir, 5 million naira, it's a big sum of money. A whopping sum of 5 million naira. You're supposed to press her.
No.
Press her to give you back the money.
I need peace of mind.
Oh no.
I need peace of mind.
God.
It's okay.
Wow.
What would you want to drink?
Oh, sir, anything. Anything. Soft drink, anything.
I'm sorry, Daddy.
For what?
For what Mommy did.
It's okay, my dear.
It wasn't your fault. Just that your mom acted based on her selfishness. It's okay.
But I'm still sorry. If I didn't ask you for the pen, she would have taken all your money.
Thank you for realizing that now. Now, you need to go to bed. Commuter break is over. You're going back to school tomorrow. Go and sleep.
Okay.
Uche, please, can you just leave me alone and forget about that money? Leave me alone, please.
Angela, please. I promise I'll return the money after this deal. I've exhausted everything I have on me because of the investments I did during the weekend.
Grandma. See, I'm not returning that money to you.
Who is calling you by this time of the night?
A TikTok friend.
TikTok friend? And that friend doesn't know that you are married?
Oh, please try the rest. Hey! I know why you're calling. Because the queen is trending. You just saw my trending video, right? The comments, the attention and the traffic is driving to my page. I have made over 800 new followers. Can you beat that? Who can beat that? If I don't give them, how will they take?
You're getting ready for work?
Yes, baby.
Okay, so the clothes in the washing machine, who is supposed to wash it?
Oh my God, I totally forgot about it.
Okay, I've totally reminded you of it.
Babe, can you please just help me? It's just, I've washed them already. It's just for you to just bring it out and spread it on the line. That's it.
Come, it's like you'll see me finish, oh. I should go and help you do what? You left clothes in the washing machine. I'm telling you to go and tidy. You're telling me to go and do it. Are you normal?
Babe,
have you lost it?
Can you please stop? What happened to you? Babe, how did we get here? Why are you like this? When did you turn this way? Babe.
Okay,
Babe, can we please just talk about this? Because I don't like this new you. Please. If I've done anything wrong, just tell me so I can apologize, because you're killing me. This new attitude of yours, I don't like it one bit.
It's fine, I'll help you do the laundry. But today, for today alone,
Thank you. But I would have loved for us to discuss about it. Communication is the key.
Angela, I let you have that money because I thought your conscience would prick you and you will return it.
Well, thanks to my conscience then, he wasn't prickled.
Even after I explained to you last night that that money is meant for a deal I want to strike with a foreign company.
Oh my God! Get the money from another source, right? You're hardworking, you can save, just work harder and save for your business. That's what real husbands do. Not run to your wife over a little token that you gave her.
For the records, Angela, I did not give you that money.
Well, for the record, I gave myself that money.
All right, have a good day.
I can't believe this. So your husband did this to you? He bought all your clothes? Everything. Every damn thing. Do you know the most annoying part? He asked me to give him money to replace the clothes he burned. No. Oh my God. He needed to see the bogus things he bought. Things I cannot even wear. You know, I'm so grateful I had some clothes with my laundry. Else, I won't have anything to wear today. I don't think this is normal. I think he needs to see a therapist. This is not the way that I know. This is not real. Kelly, I am tired. Really, this man is frustrating me. He's always nagging. Anything I do doesn't please him. When it comes to work, wahala. I'm tired. But seriously, I have decided to accept him like that. I have decided to do whatever it is you want me to do. If you just want me to sit down so you can use remote control and control me anyhow, anywhere, I would sit down and do it. Because this year, I want peace and happiness. I want peace of mind. And that's my resolution this year. No, you're not accepting that. I mean, this is rubbish. How can you accept this? My dear, I've accepted. I've finished accepting. See, I don't want problem. I don't want him to start nagging. I've accepted it and that's it. Then if you've accepted all the rubbish he's doing to you, then don't bring your problems to me. If I don't complain to you, who else will I complain to? I'll bring my trouble to you every day, every night, every time. You will not rest. Sir, I received the mail of the representative that are supposed to come inspect the products. What date should I give them?
Cancel it.
Sir?
Yes.
I should cancel a deal we struggle to get, just like that? You want me to cancel it? Why?
Sheila, I don't have enough money for the first quarter as they demanded.
Wow.
I had the money, yes. But my beloved wife swept the money off my account. And she threatened to drag me in social media as a stingy man who do not take care of his family if I do not let her have the money.
But sir, you know you're loan worthy. And you can get a loan with this kind of business deal. You know, right?
Yes, but I do not want a bank loan.
Why? Okay, sir. What if I loan you the money?
What?
Yes, because sir, we struggle to get this deal and we can't let it slip off our hands. Just like that, no. We need this deal.
Sheila, what do I call you? Lifesaver? And you know this will make you a partner, not employee.
Sir, can you please just go through this? I came with this fact. Yeah.
Sure. Thank you.
You're welcome, sir. I'll be in my office.
Sheila. Sheila.
Yes, sir.
Never knew you're such a wonderful woman. Thank you for everything.
You're welcome, sir. It's our company.
I know. That is the more reason I should thank you. You know, only a loyalist would do what you've just done. Some other persons will go behind me with all the details of the contract and get it with that same money.
Yeah, you're right, sir. But trust me, that can never be me. That's not my kind of person. I'm not like that.
Mm-hmm. You know, if we have the kind of you in this world, companies will grow very fast.
Thank you, sir, for the compliments.
You're welcome. You know, what we had was a business meeting. Can we go have a special celebration for not losing this contract?
Sure, yes, I'm in. Because I can't remember the last time I went out. It's been a long time. Yes.
Good. Dinner?
Yes, dinner it is then. All right, sir, thank you. I'll be my...
Are you serious? This girl, so you're a millionaire like this?
I beg you. See, that's actually my life savings.
That money is still much. So, despite your spending in the house, you still have such amount of money. Is there something you're not telling me?
You know I'm not a heavy spender. I save more than I spend.
Okay, so who can be a heavy spender now?
You now, it's not you. But seriously, you know the 2 million naira bonuses I get every year? I actually don't touch them. I just save it up.
But it doesn't matter. At least you first tell me how you did do them. You're not a better person at all. How? What did I do? What I do?
Teach me how to save.
How many times have I taught you? How many times have I told you? Babes, save up for rainy days. You say no, rain go fall tomorrow. So how is that on my business?
My sister, I don't get up to 5 million naira from my account.
But you know we don't earn the same amount. So
that's not the issue. I don't have enough to 10 million naira home and abroad.
Well, that's true. With the amounts you're making, you should at least be able to save up to that.
I don't think your husband should know about this. Don't let him know, because some men could be very jealous of their wife's achievements.
You don't trust me again. No, we babe like me. Hey, doesn't know I have such amounts at all.
Better. Better.
But actually, I'm saving up to venture into real estate, because that's what I've always wanted to venture into. And I wanted my husband and I to start up the business. But with the way Ray is behaving of late, I don't think I want to do that with him. But I am watching him closely. If he changes, fine.
Watch him very well, because he's getting worse by the day.
Yeah.
You and I know that.
Yeah, so can we go now, please?
Okay.
Yeah.
Yes, come in. Come in.
Sir, I want to be on my way going home now. Are you not going home?
Nah, I prefer to spend the night here.
You want to spend the night here? But sir, why would you want to spend the night here when you have a comfortable bed you can sleep on?
It's called peace of mind, my dear.
Sorry about that, sir. But sir, whatever your wife has done to you, please forgive her and go home rather than torturing yourself here.
I think I prefer this self-torturing than the one I was spewing from our barbarian wife.
Okay, sir. I understand you. Sir, I'll take my leave now. Should be on my way home.
Okay. Have a good night rest.
And you too, sir.
Be safe.
Thank you, sir. If you need anything, please call me. All right.
Thank you. I will.
Hello?
Hello, babe. Please, can you come and meet me along my office road?
What's happening there?
My car just stopped working. I don't know what happened.
So you're calling me as a mechanic or what?
I'm calling my mechanic. His number is not going. Babe, please, can you come and help me and see if you can do something? Hello? Babe? Babe?
Hey, Sheila.
Sir.
What happened?
Sir, I don't know what's wrong with my car. My car won't start at all. I don't know.
Oh, it's okay. You look too worried. It's just about the car or something?
It's my husband. He has started again. I called him and he just shut me off.
Don't worry. I will drop you off and I will get a mechanic to fix it and bring the car for you.
Oh, thank you, sir. So let me just...
Do you also mind a shot of wine?
I swear, I need that right now. I don't mind, sir.
Okay.
Thank you. Let me just get my bag,
Lock
sir.
up.
Thank you so much, sir.
Saying the profit will be twice the investment. And since you brought a larger share, you also take a bigger share of the profits.
Thank you, sir. But sir, I did it because I just wanted to help you out.
That is the more reason you should take a bigger share. Okay? And remember, I told you you're now a partner, not employee.
Yes, sir. And I'm very grateful for that, sir. Thank you
You're welcome.
so much. I really
Cheers
appreciate
once.
it.
Cheers once more.
Cheers.
Yes. I'm hoping our next contract will be triple this investment. Then we can.
Hi. Her line is off. I shouldn't have spoken to her like that now. Eh? Huh. That place is not safe. It's not safe. No, I have to go and look for her. I have to go and look for her. How dare you? You mad?
What did you do that for?
Where are you coming from? Where are you coming from, you cheating bitch?
I told you I was stranded, that I needed help. I needed you to come fix my car for me, but you refused. You didn't listen to me. You didn't come to help me. I was stranded for crying out.
How dare you come into my house drunk in the company of another man?
That was just a harmless...
Nope.
I don't know.
Okay, can you help me call him?
Nope, I'm not gonna do that.
Okay, borrow me your phone, let me just call him now.
No.
Mommy, please now.
What is it? When he comes back, you will talk to him.
I want to talk to my daddy.
I said when he comes back, you will talk to him.
Your husband.
Shut up.
But Mommy, you know Daddy don't usually come back home late.
Oh my God, what is all this? What is the meaning of this? Your father is perfectly fine wherever he is, okay? When he's tired of staying out, he will come back and meet his family.
I don't like what you're doing to Daddy.
Did you say something? If I slap you, get up from there and go to your room. Now! No, father like daughter. This man. Okay, he will come back and meet me.
Anyhow he likes. Who does that? Sick and tired of him. Sick and tired of everything he's doing to me. Sick and tired. Soon you'll just be frustrating somebody anyhow. Nonsense. I've had it up to you.
What are you doing?
I'm leaving you. I am tired. I can't stand the man you have become. I am tired. I'm sick and tired of you.
I see you're looking for an excuse, right? Because of that married man. He's a freaking married man, Shelley.
Are you seriously saying this? You know what? I don't care about you. I don't care about what you think. I don't care. If you think I'm having an affair with Mr. Uche, my boss, fine. That is it. I don't freaking care. Suit yourself. Every time, nagging like a lady, frustrating my life. I am tired. I am sick.
I'm sorry to disappoint you. I can't let you go. Yeah.
Oh.
Yes, I can't give up on you because of that man.
Oh.
I can't.
So you want me to remain here so that you will frustrate me to death, huh? Is that what you want? But newsflash, sorry to bust your bubbles. I am not going to stay. I will leave you. Don't touch my boss.
You're not going anywhere.
Stop it! I am leaving you!
I'm not going anywhere.
Why? I'm leaving you. I am sick and tired of you! Don't touch my bag.
So because you cheated and I slapped you, that's why you're doing all of this? Like it's not justifiable that you cheated and I slapped you. I'm the one that is supposed to say that I'm done with this marriage, but here I'm still trying to accommodate you for cheating on me.
And you're opening your mouth because you slapped me. You're opening your mouth because I cheated and you slapped me. You're proud to say that you slapped me. See, listen, nobody should hear that you lay your hands on me. And you're proud to say you slapped me. Let me tell you, you will hear from my lawyer. Because I am going to divorce you. I'm tired of you.
So what will you tell the court?
Of course, because you've been abusing me physically, you've been abusing me mentally. I am tired!
And the award for the most promiscuous man of the year goes to Mr. Uche. Drum rolls! Boom! Where are you coming from? Where the hell are you coming from?
Angela, I don't have time for this. I need to get ready for work.
You don't have time for this. We had all the time in the world to sleep out. You don't have time for this now. I'm talking to you. You think you can leave this house anytime you want, sleep out and come back, and I will lie you into this house? You lied.
My house?
Your house. So you didn't realize you had a home when you were busy sleeping in your side chick's house. You better pack your things and move in with her for all I care.
Listen, Angela, I need to get ready. I don't have time for this. And of course, fine. If you want me to move out of this house, yes, I will move out.
Is that why you're so modest about it? Move out! Yes, I want you to move out. Move out!
I don't have time for this, excuse me.
I'm talking to you.
Please, I'm going away. Don't leave me. I will go anywhere. I'm not going. I will go anywhere. Don't leave me. Please. Please. I'm staying.
I will never raise my hand on you again.
Jay? What happened? What changed? Please tell me. I want to know so I can amend my ways. Please. Please tell me. I want to know so I can amend my ways too. Please.
It's not you. It's me. But I promise it's never going to happen again.
Promise.
Yeah. I promise.
Okay.
So I want to get a job.
Why are you sounding like you've not been trying to get a job?
Yeah, I have, but this time I'm going all out to get any type of job. I don't mind. So recently I applied for a cleaning job and a security job.
God forbid. God forbid my husband will not do such job. How?
Babe, I just need to work. I just need to get busy. I need something doing. I don't want to take out my frustration on you anymore.
I think it's time I let you know about this. I have been saving. I actually wanted us to go into real estate. So I saved up to 50 million naira.
50 million naira?
Yes, babe, wait, let me finish. I invested it in one of our business deals and my boss made me partner. And it doubled up.
Doubled up like you made 100 million naira?
Yes. Yes.
Oh my God. Babe. Oh God. $100 million naira. Oh my God, I'm so proud of you.
Thank you, baby. I'm sorry I didn't tell you about it. I'm sorry I kept it away from you.
It's okay. It's okay.
Sorry, my boss. Hello, boss. I'm home. What? My God, how did it happen? What happened? How? Sir, are you okay? I'm so sorry, sir. I am so sorry. Oh, okay, sir. No problem. Bye, sir. Oh my God.
What happened?
My boss just lost his wife.
What?
Violence is never the way out of marital problems. Partners should be able to communicate. Communication is key to every problem. I'm so sorry you had to lose your wife that way.
I need to clear my head. Can we go out? I need company.
Sir, I would really love to go with you, but my husband is not comfortable with our closeness. So I'd love for us to maintain the boss and employee relationship.
It's okay. I understand.
Thank you for understanding. Thank you. Let me go back to my office.
It's okay.
Babe?
Yeah, babe?
Hey, babe.
Babe?
Guess what, babe?
What?
Guess what? Yes? Yes.
They just promoted you?
Check it out.
King Leroy Estate Firm. Uh-huh. Oh my God.
Yes.
You registered with my
Yes!
name? And you got the deal.
Mm-hmm.
Oh my God, babe.
Yes. I love you.
I love you more. I Thank you.
It's fine. It's fine, okay? I love you.
I love you more. This calls for celebration. Stay right here.
Okay.
Stay put. Stay put. Stay put, baby.